Hi, I'm Alex. I'm going to show you a magic trick with my full deck. So I have the 4 aces over here. I'm going to put 3 cards on each. That's fair. So I'm going to put the ace of clubs in there. And then I'm just going to count 2 cards. So it's not there. So which one is it, the top or the bottom?
Bottom?
Let's see. Oh, you're correct. Follow the ace. It's not there.
Hey, where'd it go?
So I'm going to look at this one. I'm going to put it over here. Put this at the bottom. Count like this. So this is obviously the ace.
Mm-hmm.
It's gone.
Wow.
So I'm going to look at this. Turn it around. So the bottom is the ace, right?
Right.
So I'm going to put that over here. Flip over this. And then it's gone.
Again?
Well, they're not really gone, since they're right over here.
Oh, wow. How did they go there?
Magic.